Okay, everybody, this is going to be my little video tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. So say that fast 3 times. So I'm going to show you quickly how I do it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but this is what works for me, and it helps me keep all my sheets organized. So I've got my queen sheet inside out. So the outside is facing you, facing y'all. So I put my fingers in, and I've got the short ends of my sheet here. So I'm going to fold those together. So I stick my fingers in at the corners where that seam is, and then I'm just going to bring them together and then fold the left over the right. And then I'm going to use my left hand because I'm right-handed, and I'm going to do the same thing at the other end. So think about it. That was the top of the bed. This is going to be the bottom of the bed, or bottom of the sheet. So everything's got to be turned to the same direction. And I've got to find the inside seam and then line these two up just like the other side. So I just find that corner and stick my finger in the corner of that sheet, in the corner. And then, so now you see I've got the long ends, and I'm going to bring them together and fold the left side over. So I've got my corner here, and then I fluff up to bring these two ends together and make a corner. Hold that in place and come to the other side and find a corner. If you have a puppy in the way, you can put the sheets on top of the puppy. Okay, and then I'm just going to fold the long to the short end. I'm going to fold that in half. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Flatten it down and fold it in half again. There's my fitted sheet. And then I've already got the flat sheet that goes with it, and I'm going to stack these up together. So one thing I do with the flat sheets is if there's a border or an edge, I have that showing so I know which sheets they are. All of my sheets are white, so they can be a little confusing. And then I'm just going to stack those up. And if I had my pillowcases here, I would stack these up together, and this is what would go in my cabinet or in the drawer, and you're good to go.